In this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Pinterest app on your PC or laptop. So before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, we can go to the search bar down on the taskbar and then search for the Microsoft Store. Once you have found it, open the app and here we are going to the search bar on top. Make sure you are logged into your Microsoft account before you start this, otherwise you are not able to download any apps on this store. So the next step is of course search for the Pinterest app. And as soon as you have found it, select it, and after that you can click on the Get button. Once you have done this, the app will be downloaded on your PC or laptop, and then you are able to log into your Pinterest account or create a completely new Pinterest account to log into. And then you are able to use Pinterest on your PC or laptop. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!